Tariki emerongo ebere na yamo omochenyu kabere mwaka buchiri bubere na emerongo ebere na inye nigo yaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso naramangana Amayia asenchire bwenye korwa station ya Ndizi TV retera nkoro kwa job Maangi ne utoko batoko bwaterana nere elinde kwene kichibichechi boigo na malio yingo ikerare asenchire wekera ni akoro kwa Marieta Saramo manyi na boigo kwene kichibichechi ngoko ikera chire weterase umuntu imenye ni akoro kwa Lydia Mose nkwira nande asige kagetiri getambe mbenkuba manyi nali abirga gwata korwa kete Chinsa chamambi go ikera bono mugaso. Amayia ni otoko ya chaka korwa se county ya Kisii aseba korau boigo ni otoko ya korwa se county ya Kisii ase ensemo yaba MCA anene mono bali bakoa okoboko omuswada olia oganetiko mwaka isiko mukonyi mugavana Dr. Robert Monda baba wikirana ase bunge yuna boigo bali bakwamerelia omuswado yo aso omuswado yo obagokobe kwa bosio bwe bunge ye county ya Kisii nomo MCA wodia ichuni azerieta Wycliffe Siocha ase egatia mamocho bakumubunia Robert Monda na alinga ogotumeki obobebu obisia na boigo okobunalichiko ase boigo okobwatera nigwa na mamocho yobokurumi anene mono ase ekyombekelia anene mono kumulekera amache kyagwa Scott yango turarango na raliaya agendera emambia lero ase bunge ye county ya Kisii.
50,000 transfer by Dennis Moseti on telephone number 07 25 48 7300 to the Deputy Governor's Safaricom number line pin 07 11 86 00 700. Sorry. And the last was joined in the south of Kenya shillings 300,000, which was delivered. No, sorry, Mr. Speaker. That was the first tranche. The second tranche was Kenya shillings 250,000. Again, to the Deputy Governor Safaricom line in 07 11 86 0700. And the last was charged the sum of Kenya shillings 300,000, which was delivered to service in Gusii Stadium.
Ensemo yaba MC bakwamerelia omuswada bokoganya ku mwaka munda isiko niko babagwe sokia chingaki egekare kikyale ndrete na gosoka isiko asikeli batai nchirana nenchira omuswada oyu abagokobe kwa bosio bwe bunge ye county ya Kisii abatabanga enchira omuswada obete gokobe kwa ase bunge ya Kisii tobwateti richiko na yalia abwendrete kobwatigwa chingaki chokobeka omuswada boku mwaka isiko omokonyo omugabana county ya Kisii Robert Monda isiko.
50,000 transfer by Dennis Moseti.
With me, those papers, even the members who signed with, they said 51. No member, there is no even single signature. Even from the petitioner or the mover himself, he did not sign again as provided in the law and as provided in our standing orders in the Kisii County Assembly.
Realize that motion, the notice that was given last week on Tuesday is completely different than the motion that was tabled. And the requirement of the standing orders are that when you move the motion must be similar in form and content.
Basaineti yende kingiana goja ase assembly elinde tokerole marabia basaineti no minto oyuni ekara begete chi irrigation kimwaroje inye ta toleterete ebinto munda akolete ndera leta elinde twabiroraga iga tiga omushahada oyo embandeche esaba abanyari baria mabera n'abagusii abagima elinde batebe ogosire elinde mwaro kino ne chimbande kyatogoiro ono kyabira matoka manene na munda tana ko yugasinda kugikora bono kirento
Skabose wika ase bunge ya Senate enene ya Kenya nigo omoseneta we county ya Kisii Richard Mumaima Onyonka abeirega kwa okoboko oroboturwa nadiko urwa betero kwaria nigwa ne kamati yabetege koleta amo abarai kurwa sensemo ye serikali na boigo ensemo ekwamiria serikali ya Azimio lindiko gane kogayana amangana genrete ime yense echo Kenya boigo nigo abagago saba ebunge ya Senate kuligirelia anene mono engana yokoba aba MCA chibesa cha World Development Fund linde chibe chikobasira ase amagendro na boigo kwene kinga chibesa chiri chigosira chibunge au cha CDF nkobekwa chire asensemo yeri chiko linde gokinia obokole na kwene kinga aba Kenya bonsi nkonyora bale amagenderero ase oboikerano.
And there are many of these issues that Kenyans are always talking about, including myself. I also want to mention to this House, there are times when we must come together as a country, and there are times when we can go our separate ways. In the Ward Fund, we must, and I believe in the amendments, we must interrogate and discuss the relevance of creating the Ward Fund, making sure that the members of the County Assembly have this capacity where they actually are oversighting their own resources. So the experience will help. Madam Chair, I agree, CDF should actually be in the Constitution. I know this matter has been discussed over and over and over again, where people are saying, no, members of parliament should not handle money. Why? Because their job is to legislate. And I have said this more than 20 times, Madam Chair, publicly or otherwise. In our Africa, leaders have got two responsibilities. Yes, you legislate, and then you go and talk. But I want to encourage members in this House. I want to say this. There are many, many issues that have not been brought at the table. Can we take what is on the table and make sure we push it? Remember, the Constitution had a challenge. 20%.
Abanyanyimbo nigo baba kubwata abantu bane babwate amarua atanche igetambo kyabe yokugania gotamani gitanyalekana ase county ya Nandi yemaega yegali babwate kutoka omoikana boigo ingane abaga kwa abanyanyimbo chingangi chinyoro chiko babwata kolinde nonye nigo baba gotoliwa koruase amagoko yabantu baganeti kubasagana na kubahita n'abanyanyimbo ekerobaikirana asense meyo asekuro ensindi yaberege korwego nesegi entindi kogendra imense ito Kenya elinde koruania amarua atanche iri Chinsa mochonsi chense ya ito ya Kenya.
Tumesimama kwa njia kidogo kidogo kuona gari inakuja mbio na walikuwa wanafuatwa na gari na pikipiki ya machief, so kidogo kidogo kuona chief na watu wake ndio wakapiga nduru mwizi, tukadhani ni mwizi.
Chuwezi ni watu wametusumbua tena area hii sana. Sasa kila mtu wako akisimama imara kila wakati. Sasa wakati walipiga nduru, wakazi wa area yote walitoka kabisa.
Huyo alipoona mwenye gari alipoona ya kwamba anafikiwa, akaaja kwenda kwa lami, akachukua njia ya rough road mpaka akakimbia mpaka penye gari iliweza kupasuka tile na ikasimama mahali kunaitwa Kabukorio, na akajaribu kutoroka, lakini angeweza kukimbia kwa sababu tulimsidi nguvu kwa kukimbia na akanaswa. Tayari serikali ilikuwa inaenda kupoteza ushuru hapa kwa sababu hii sigara nitakana iuzwe nje ya nchi, sio ndani ya nchi. Hii kachupa kanatakana kuwa na 250 mils, lakini hii ni 200 mils.
Serikali nigo yaberege gusabwa ko bwato kachibesa ase chinga kichibwenrate gochia se chi county kago kwana ase omujega obagokoreta amo abarai na boigo abamenyi be county ya Machakos umugabana we county yu wa Vinya Wandeti na gatebanga serikali wenete kubeka emerobeli eisaine na boigo niga serikali yabage gusabwa kwene kinga emerobeli yonsi elierengete chi county nkoena nwere gochia chi county elinde kwene kinga abamenyi bonsi bensemi na boigo anene mono ime yense yaito ya Kenya nkonyora bali amagenderero na boigo obokoreri obuya chingaki chonsi.
Tafadhali wa release pesa kwa counties, kwa sababu counties zinaumia sana. Aangalie tu vizuri waweze kuturelizia pesa ndio tuweze kufanya maendeleo. Devolution ni kitu cha muhimu sana, na huku chini kama kumenyamaza, hata huko juu kutanyamaza. Kwa hivyo tafadhali tungewaomba tu wa release pesa zikuje huku mashinani ndio tuweze kuwafanyia wananchi wetu kazi. Kama gavana wa Machakos, huo ni mwaka wa 2022-2023. Nilipatiwa projects 420 tulipofanya public participation.
Nimesema hapa ataitumia kuwafanyia hayo maendeleo. Ombi langu ni kwa serikali iliyoko sasa, hadi nendeni. Ikiwa mlisema mtatupatia 35% ama 40%, tafadhalini tulete hiyo. Hiyo itasaidia pakubwa. And the only way to transform this country is by ensuring devolution works. Devolution has resources in terms of funds, na zile functions ambazo serikali kuu imekwamilia nazo kule juu.
Abakenya bakurigia emirimo ase Chinsa chisiko ni wabono babiri bagosabwa gotalera abisi chewizara yabakori emirimo na boigo kwene kinga ngotwara bare umanyi igoro ye Chinsa barachi gokora emirimo nemirimo barachi gokora elinde kubatanga nama no kuchandeka kwa birokorekana anene mono ase abakori emirimo bakwenda ase Chinsemo chiria cha dub Chinsemo Chinsa cheisiko engana aberege kwira amangana mange kogenda aya nikakwanwa chingaki ebyombe abya anene mono bikorawa ne kyombe yakotu ime ye county ya Busia yakora etaro yabene elinde gosanga nabamenyi bensemeyo abakori emeremo naboiga ababwatani ao igoro yobuya bokwegerera obwene wabakori emeremo ime yense yaito ya Kenya.
Katika hii Busia tungependa kuwaomba wale service providers ambao wanatoa ile cheap labor kutoka Uganda. Tungependa kuwaomba ya kwamba waweze kuzingatia haki za wale wafanyikazi, waweze kuwalipa kulingana na vile sheria inataka. Kenya tuko na ile general wage order ambayo ukiangalia other area ile mshahara chini sana, shilingi 8,190 na senti 90, lakini utapata kuna wale wanalipa 3,000 shillings, kuna wale wanalipa 4,000 shillings, na hiyo it is a violation of the law.
So leo tunahimiza watu wetu wa Busia, yeyote yule anataka kusafiri nje ya nchi kwa ajili ya ajira, ni bora atembelee ofisi za leba hapa Busia aweze kusaidiwa apate muongozo.
Maega yokora egeikaro kyaba waziri nigo omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto bono aberega kwenekelia abakenya abuna ense itwa Kenya teri asabe ase ensemo yogwakana amadeni ase boigo abagakorera abaliki bamangana amajia na boigo abakenya igoro yigatemero beri baba gokwanira anene mono gusira oburemi imense ito ya Kenya as egeikari kyaberega kogenderera ase amatuko atatu wikirabono ime yensemo ya Naivasha.
I thought of making this statement because it is necessary for us to inform the country where we stand today, especially after the anxiety of the last 1 year, where many in the international community were worried about Kenya's position and Kenya's financial ability to manage our situation, including our debt situation. I can now confidently say Kenya is no longer in the list of the countries that run the risk of debt default, thanks to the collective effort that has been done by my team at the Treasury and by the whole of government approach that has seen us down on many aspects of spending, make sure that we reduce the accumulation of expensive debt and put the country on a trajectory of living within
Oroboti oruo rwa serikali korwa sensemo ya Naivasha notoikira omweri wa mang'ana ya Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugaso ireterane nkoro kwa job Maangi ne utobere tukubwaterana line kwene kichibi chechi oboigo na malingo wikirare asenchire wikarani yakoro kwa Sara Momanyi oyone kiboigo nkonyoro chibi chechi gwetera ase enchira yomunwa bebimanyerero ni gakoro kwa Lydia Mose wikira chinga kichinde na abatakeire oborigererio bya ime ya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu Gusii.